Like,
well, and there's people that are offering you home and you're not taking advantage of it. So you need to help us out so we can help you out.
I've been out here so long, I don't know how I'd react to you
Oh, I think you would adjust just fine.
inside.
Yes. Having a bed and heat and water
I
and a
don't know, I
toilet.
went to rehab and the flick of a wrist and I'm out.
Yeah,
Locked doors.
I know, but
Doors.
there's harder things to adjust to than having a roof over your head, right?
Yeah.
On November the 23rd, 2022, the day before Thanksgiving, officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to the location of a small pond near a homeless camp. In that pond, they discovered the body of Mr. Robert K. Marsh. Mr. Marsh was murdered and placed into the pond by a man named John Ferry, who was later charged and arrested for his murder. The incident in today's video takes place a few days later when officers were on patrol looking for Mr. Ferry, who had not yet been apprehended, and ended up running into Mr. Marsh's girlfriend, who is also homeless, has one leg, and her only support system was Mr. Marsh before he was murdered. For today's video, you'll see the officers try everything they can to get this woman help and convince her to get off the street. But you'll find that sometimes the hardest thing about helping people is convincing them that they need help.
Maybe. How's it going? Are you by yourself? Huh? Shitty? I'm sorry it's shitty. Are you by yourself? Do you have anyone that lives here with you?
Charles and his mom is their tent, but his mom is in the hospital. There was an incident here the other night, and Charles is at Joey's camp helping him move, and I'm Robert Marsh's wife. The guy that found him gone.
Okay, well that's what I thought you were. That's why I stopped to ask. So you haven't seen John anywhere around, have you?
I've never seen him here.
Really?
Yeah. I didn't leave my tent for a month and a half. I didn't see the sun for a month and a half.
Yeah.
Robert single-handedly took care of me. And he wanted me in the tent where I was safe and nobody could fuck me. The honor's on.
So you came over here to hang out with these people? Are they helping take care of you now?
Charles is trying to help me get adjusted.
Yeah.
Because my arms are so sore from wheeling myself.
I'm sure. Why aren't you in a shelter somewhere?
I want to be with Robert, well, Bob.
Yeah. What are you going to do now?
I haven't made up my mind.
You still have contacts and stuff, right? Like you can still get help if you reach out.
Yeah.
You know that all you have to do is say the word and someone will swoop you up.
I haven't made up my mind yet.
What's your alternative?
Keep doing what I've been doing for the last 10 years.
Why would you do that? You don't enjoy it. It sucks. And it's going to get cold soon. I know, but it's going to get legitimately cold, right? Like, it's chilly, but it's not cold yet. You're from Ohio, right?
Yeah.
It's going to get really cold.
Yeah.
I mean, there's help there. There's people that have, I'm sure people have come by the camp, talked to you before, right?
Not at the camp.
No. But they come out and they tell you where the resources are and offer you all that help.
Yeah.
Do you get an SSI or anything?
Not yet. I just lost my leg in August.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, I haven't been able to do all that.
Yeah.
Bob was working, and he was working on getting me my own phone so that I could do the doctor's appointments and stuff while he was at work. And, didn't work out that way.
Okay. So you don't have like a case manager or anything that you're working with right now?
Not right now. I'm Jordan's Crossing. The detective actually sent me that way.
Okay. Have you talked to them yet or anything?
But the detective?
Jordan's Crossing.
Oh yeah, Fred.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been there.
They'll get you with the resources. I mean, because they're literally there, right?
Yeah.
Some people from Mount Carmel and stuff.
On Thursdays. And I've known Fred the whole time I've been out here. I know his wife, his daughter.
Yeah.
I've seen his grandchildren.
Yeah.
I've known him for a long time.
We'll take advantage of that stuff. You know, I mean, it's got to be better than this, right?
Yeah.
And your shoulders are gonna break from trying to push yourself around in that chair.
I'm pretty sure.
Mm-hmm.
If my spirit don't break first.
Yeah. So there's plenty of people offering you help. Take them up on it. Okay. Is there anything I can do for you today?
No.
No. You sure?
I'm dying for something to drink.
There you go. It's just water.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Awesome.
All right. And you have a phone now, or you don't have a phone?
And not yet. Thursday I have to go to Jordan's. And re-link up with my original case manager and do all of the initial filings and things, so that I can get the insurance card and everything to get the Obama phone.
Oh, okay. So you just need the paperwork in order.
Yeah, and copies of things, and then it's time to process stuff.
Yeah. Well, get in there on Thursday. I'm not working Thursday, or else I would offer to help you get there. I got the day off. Are you going to be out here for a little while in this spot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Until Christy gets out of the hospital, we're not gonna move anywhere.
Okay. And they haven't tried to run you off of here or anything?
As far as I know, from what Charles said, not as yet. Some officers showed up last night in the middle of the night. The original officer that dealt with the incident with Chrissy, and she wanted to check on her, but I told her she hasn't made it back yet.
It was like a domestic violence thing?
No, actually, she was assaulted by a guy named Dale.
Okay.
Is what I was told. I wasn't here, but that's what I was told. He was trying to get sex.
Okay.
And she was a lesbian.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh wait, Chrissy? She have a dog?
She used to have a little Boston Terrier with her tongue hanging out.
That's not the person I was thinking about. There's another Chrissy I know that's a lesbian, has a pit bull. She's really nice. I've talked to her a bunch of times.
This is Chrissy that has her son Charles.
Is he just barely 18? Yeah. I know who that guy is too. He's out here with you to help take care of you a little bit?
Yeah, he's helping me now.
Where's he at right now?
He's helping Joey move.
Okay. Where's Joey staying? Over where you were?
No, he was behind the casino.
Okay.
He said the police has been at his camp every night for the last week looking for some guy he ain't never heard of. And
yeah, well, we're looking for John.
Thank you.
We're stopping everybody.
Thank you.
I didn't know you were out here. We were at McDonald's for a problem at McDonald's. I saw a tent. So I was like, I'm going to come talk to him. So we were on the bike path earlier. We were up down the road here earlier. Someone said that he was living up here behind the old car wash. But I've talked to them a couple times. They swear he's never lived there.
From what I've heard, like I didn't know him, I didn't talk to him, and I've never seen him. But from what I've heard, he don't have his own setup.
Yeah, that's what someone just told me a little bit ago.
He's been crashing at other people. Like Chad, that used to have the black pit bull. I guess he's got the keys to his tent.
Yeah, but not anymore. Because I talked to Chad this morning.
Yeah. Chad had to cut the lock off.
Yeah.
Because he can't find him. And then from what I heard, he was crashing with Joe and Shanda.
Where are they at?
The scrapyard on Sylvan.
Oh, behind there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got some calls about people back there. I mean, you know how it is. You guys set up camps, and then people call and complain, and we eventually have to make you move. Kind of.
It's not our property.
Yeah, it is
And
what it
then
is.
there's this that doesn't help our case.
Yeah.
Like,
Well, and there's people that are offering you home, and you're not taking advantage of it. So you need to help us out so we can help you out.
I've
What's?
been out here so long, I don't know how I'd react to you
Oh, I think you would adjust just fine.
inside.
Yes, having a bed, and heat, and water,
I
and a
don't know, I
toilet.
went to rehab and I just, the flick of a wrist and I'm out.
Yeah,
Locked doors.
I know,
Locked
but
doors.
there's harder things to adjust to than having a roof over your head, right?
Yeah, and that's what it is. It's kind of
Yep. You can do it. Work with those people and get your ass off the street. All right. The boy that lives here, what's his name again? Charles. I've helped him out in the past. I couldn't remember his name. I'll do my best to keep an eye out for you guys. Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. Take care.